Let's now move on. Ladies and gentlemen, a 24-year-old law student was gang raped, brutalized and terrorized inside her own college in Kolkata. She even touched the feet of her accused, but he refused to let her go. Instead, when she was beaten with a hockey stick while the accused filmed the horrific crime. Can you believe it? The trauma and scars from this event will likely never ever heal for her. And the survivor and her family fight for justice. A shameful narrative is now unfolding in the state of West Bengal. Politicians from the Trinamool Congress are hell-bent on shaming and questioning the victim. Yesterday, it was TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee who posed an outrageous question about what can be done if a friend rapes another friend, suggesting that girls must choose who they go out with wisely. Today, we have another TMC leader who has further fueled public outrage with blatant victim blaming. TMC MLA Madan Mitra stated that if the victim hadn't gone out, the incident wouldn't have occurred. Sample the disgraceful remarks.
কে করে সহপাঠীরা করেছে হ্যাঁ প্রাক্তনরা ঢুকলো কি করে তাদের সঙ্গে নিঃসন্দেহে প্রাক্তনরা যখন ঢোকে তখন সেই নিঃসন্দেহে কিছু লিঙ্ক আছে প্রাক্তনও আর যাই হোক সে তো ছাত্র সে তো পুরুষ সেই পুরুষদের বিরুদ্ধে কেন মহিলারা লড়ছে যে যারা ঘুরছে যাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে তাদেরও ঠিক করা উচিত কাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে কাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে না
যে अगर आपको किसी जान पहचान ने बुलाए तो जिस दिन कॉलेज बंद है परीक्षा चल रहा है आपको यूनिट की कुछ बनाएगा तो आप मत जाइए इसमें आपको भला नहीं होगा वो लड़की अगर नहीं जाता तो ये घटना नहीं घटते थे अगर जाने का टाइम लड़की किसी को बता के जाते थे दो सहेलियां लेके जाते थे ये नहीं घटते
The BJP alleges that the crime received political support and BJP has accused the TMC of protecting the perpetrators. It claims that the entire cycle of gang rape is state-sponsored. Additionally, it highlighted the political connections of the main accused, Monojit Mishra, who previously served as the secretary of TMC student wing. Listen in.
लगभग 24-25 वर्षीय हमारी बहन एक छात्री उसके साथ जिस प्रकार का गैंग रेप हुआ है उसको लेकर आज पूरे भारतवर्ष में पूरे हिंदुस्तान में एक दुख का माहौल है। रह रह के उस प्रदेश से जहां एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री है, महिलाओं के प्रति संवेदनशीलता होनी चाहिए, वहां इस प्रकार की संवेदनहीनता। अगर कस्बा लॉ कॉलेज के रेप केस को देखा जाए और पीड़िता ने विक्टिम ने खुद स्टेटमेंट जारी किया है, लिखित स्टेटमेंट, वह स्टेटमेंट भी मैं लेके आया हूं, उसके भी कुछ पोर्शंस आपके पास रखूंगा। उसको ध्यान से पढ़ा जाए तो एक बात स्पष्ट होता है कि यह पूरा रेप का जो गैंग रेप का जो कुचक्र हुआ है यह कहीं ना कहीं स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड ब्रूटैलिटी है।
And this is what we are going to be discussing on News Hour Special Edition this Saturday evening. We have Shehzad Poonawalla, National Spokesperson of the BJP, Abha Singh, who is a lawyer and an activist, and Tausifur Rahman, Spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress. Good evening to all of you. Thank you for joining us here on Times Now. Abha Singh, I want to ask you first, what do you make of the statements that have come from TMC Netas? One is a TMC MP, another one is an MLA. One is saying the girl must be careful and decide whom she goes out with. The other one says, if someone you know has called you a day when college is closed, don't go alone. If that girl had not gone, this would not have happened. Eventually, according to TMC, if a girl has been gang raped, then it is her fault. Abha Singh, can you hear me? Abha Singh, am I audible? Okay, we will try and reconnect with Abha Singh and get you her reaction. But meanwhile, Shehzad, how will you like to respond? Because 2 days, two shocking reactions have come from Trinamool Congress. One is an MP and the other one is an MLA.
No longer does the TMC represent Ma Mati Manush. It has now standing for Mahila Atyachar, Mafia and Muslim appeasement. First of all, a person who's linked with the TMC, who has pictures right from Abhishek Banerjee to the top leaders of TMC, ministers of TMC, the sister-in-law of Mamata Banerjee, who's also a councillor, who uses his political brazen power to run the show in the college, and the manner in which even the picture is seen of Abhishek Banerjee in the classroom where he's addressing the classroom, it shows that it is a complete political influence where even an ex-student is allowed to behave like a goon. He's got a criminal background also. And such a person commits a horrific gang rape. The victim's statement is there. Swear loyalty to TMC or else you will be raped is the statement given. And then after that you see TMC topmost leaders, Kalyan Banerjee, who says classmate ka rape karta hai to kaise kya kar sakte hain? So classmates can rape each other and the state will do nothing. Then Madan Mitra says, if the girl would not have gone. I think, Hina ji, this is such a good excuse. Why aren't you taking it on record? Please take it on record. Abhaji also should take on record. If Sandesh Khali women were not Dalit, they would not have been raped. If Malda, the girl, would not have had a love affair, she would not have been raped. If RG Kar, the girl, would not have gone to the medical college, she would not have been raped. If this girl did not go to the law college, she would not have been raped. This is a perfectly legitimate excuse. The woman is to be blamed. महिला रूरल एरिया में रहे, उसका रेप हो जाए तो वुमन को ब्लेम करो. महिला अर्बन एरिया के कॉलेज में रहे, उसका रेप हो जाए तो उसको ब्लेम करो. This is the TMC's responsible. From Park Street to Sandesh Khali, this party stands with the Balatkari. That's what they are doing today. It is not Beti Bachao, it's Balatkari Bachao. But one last line. Where is this Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra? ये तो लड़की हूं लड़ सकती हूं खोजने के लिए हर जगह घूमते हैं ना. Uttar Pradesh has highest conviction rate of 90%. Lowest conviction rate is in Bengal. And Rahul and Priyanka will not utter a word. And Mamata Banerjee will obviously blame the victims.
Tausifur Rahman, please respond. Are women now to be blamed?
Good evening. Good evening, Shehzad. Good evening to ma'am as well. But मुझे सबसे पहले ये जानना था, Shehzad bhai, have you seen Mamata Banerjee is accusing someone, the accused or the victim? I just don't understand. We have arrested the accused, but again, I will start. You showed the picture of Abhishek Banerjee that he is supporting some people, he is supporting that TMCP नेता. ये लोग कौन है? ये लोग कौन है, Shehzad? BHU का rapist, Prajwal, Brij Bhushan. Who are these people standing with Narendra Modi? Anyways, I don't want to play this dirty game. बहन का रेप हुआ है, किसी माँ का रेप हुआ है. I mean, this is not something you want to play. What about it today? Absolutely, such incident taking place in and around the country, whether it's Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. I hope Bengal is not only the state where such crimes are happening, Shehzad. What I believe, all the chief minister from all the state and the union government should sit together under one roof and try to bring out a solution instead of attacking just Trinamool Congress. Aparajita bill should come forward. क्यों नहीं ला रहे हैं आप? क्यों नहीं बात करते आप लोग अपराजिता बिल पे?
Tausifur Rahman, one second. I don't think you heard the points that were made by leaders of the Trinamool Congress. One is a Trinamool Congress member of parliament, representative of people in the parliament, Kalyan Banerjee. What did he say? Who raped her? It was her friends who did it. If the ex-student did it, there must be some connection between the ex-student and the college. Only then they were able to get inside. Women must fight against those men. The girl must have been careful, must be careful and decide who can't be present anywhere. Then you have another person from the Trinamool Congress who's also blaming the survivor in this case. If she had told someone and went, if she took friends with her, this would not have happened. What is the role of the state government? The state government cannot even provide enough security to the women in the state in Kolkata. Is it too much to ask for from a state government? After RG Kaur also, no lessons have been learnt at all?
No, absolutely. The lesson needs to let the whole India will learn a lesson, not only Bengal. India should learn a lesson. People of India should learn a lesson. Now, I am sure BJP is addicted to TMC. संबित पात्रा was giving such statement कि भाई ये स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड हुआ है. संबित पात्रा को आप ये बताइए, आखिरी के 10 दिन में, जून और मई के बीच में, आखिरी के 10 दिन में 5 रेप ओडिशा में हुआ है. नो मीडिया हाईलाइट. उत्तर प्रदेश में मई में रेप हुआ है.
How convenient and how insensitive this remark is Tausifur Rahman. Aba Singh, I am shocked. I really don't know what to say. Whenever you ask a question of any particular government, the response is, oh, this happened in another state also. You're not highlighting those particular issues, but they will not respond to the moot points here. Look how the survivor here is being questioned. Survivor is being blamed that she has been gang raped because it was her fault. Aba Singh.
No, where are we saying? We want death penalty for the people.
You're very right. Every time it happens, it becomes a Congress versus BJP ruled state, that it happened in their state too. But my issue is here, a young college student has been raped in the campus in Kolkata South, which is heart of Kolkata. And the issue is, in spite of having such strong laws for death penalty, life imprisonment, the biggest question that comes forward is that failure of law and order, and secondly, no fear of law among the people. And that is why a staff member, a 20-year-old boy, have come forward and raped the student in the law college. So the issue is here, safety of women. We should be talking of that, not making it a political sling out. So I'm ashamed, I'm shocked that politicians are only trying to get brownie points of when they talk of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, then you talk of brownie points. It should not be that. You should be talking of women's safety, you should be talking of women protection, and also that why are the trials so delayed that the conviction rate in rape cases in India is barely 29%. We should be talking of that is the reason that there is no fear of the law.
Absolutely. In fact, I have with me TMC's Lok Sabha manifesto as well of 2024. One of the promise was fast-track courts are going to be established in every district. It said TMC is going to ensure swift justice for women through dedicated fast-track courts to tackle the backlog of crime against women. A lot of promises were made, but unfortunately, the situation on the ground, it doesn't seem has changed. I know Shehzad wants to respond, but before that, we have a reaction coming in from the Trinamool Congress as well over Kalyan Banerjee and Madan Mitra's statement. In fact, TMC has posted on social media platform X, and I quote, the remarks made by MP Kalyan Banerjee and MLA Madan Mitra concerning the heinous crime at Law College were made in their personal capacities. The party unequivocally disassociates itself from their statements and strongly condemns the same. These views do not reflect the position of the party in any manner whatsoever. Our stance remains resolute. We have zero tolerance for crimes against women and demand the strictest possible punishment for all those involved in this heinous crime. So that is the first reaction coming in of Trinamool Congress on the statements made by two of its very, very senior leaders. Shehzad Poonawalla, party very conveniently distancing itself from the statements that were made, wherein the victim, the survivor, was being blamed.
I don't understand this, Hina. Are they saying that the TMC wants people to have such personal views where they blame the victim? So it's not the party view, but the personal view of elected officials. Such views are acceptable to them. Point number two, Mamta Banerjee herself victim blamed in Park Street case. She said nothing took place in Sandesh Khali. She said love affair gone bad in the Hans Khali case. And to threaten the parents, which the Supreme Court noted no less. And there were series of leaders of the Trinamool Congress, who I call Lapata ladies also. They are now quiet then also, they are quiet now also. And there were series of leaders who were threatening that doctors ke haath pair tod denge. That time also it was personal view. The Udayan Guhas of the world, etc. were threatening violence. But there is another element, and maybe Abhaji and Hina, you should weigh in on this. The statement of the victim says that prove your loyalty to TMC or else you will face the persecution, your parents will be arrested, and then this was done. So it was done with a political persuasion. Sandesh Khali was also with the same political abuse. The post-poll violence was also political abuse. So the political institutionalization of rape as a tool, we have seen this in ISIS states, where rape is used as a weapon to torment the women. This weapon of political tormentation is now becoming the mainstream new normal in West Bengal under Mamta Banerjee's watch. This is more dangerous, that if you don't agree with our views, you will be raped like ISIS mein hota hai, वैसे.
That's a very, very serious charge coming in from Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP. Tausifur Rahman, please respond.
No, this is, see, Shehzad can say anything. Shehzad is just targeting Mamata Bandyopadhyay. If you don't want to listen to us, you'll get raped. I mean, it's a so shameless thing. I mean, does BJP handles all these cases? I don't understand. Like Narendra Modi asked their MPs to go and rape if someone doesn't listen to him. So how can you say that if someone doesn't listen to Trinamool Congress, they will be get raped? But I want to ask Abhaji. Abhaji, you had a very good point. I had a very, no, it's okay. The statement, we respect the statement. Shehzad, we are not BJP. We will not kill anyone. Shehzad, we are Trinamool Congress. We are not BJP. Marna nahi kisi ko. This is not about Justice Lohia. This is what we want to accept that. I'm not talking about Justice Lohia jo gayab ho gaye the. And this is not about Subramaniam Swamy when he belongs to BJP.
Tauseefur Rahman, can we talk about the case that we are discussing today? Because it is important, and you know, it's heart-wrenching when you read the complaint of the survivor in this case. When you look at the details, you know, your blood will boil. The kind of details that have emerged, the brutality that she has narrated.
You don't stop people. You don't stop people when they are talking about Sandesh Khali and post-war violence, which is not connected to this case.
I'm giving you time to respond. I'm giving you time to respond. At least respond to the specific question I have asked you. Do you have an answer at all, Tauseefur Rahman? Very conveniently, your party has distanced itself from the shocking and distasteful remarks made by two of its very senior leaders. Is that enough? If they are so angry, will they take action against them?
This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. Are we endorsing such statement? I am the official spokesperson right now sitting with you.
But these are not ordinary leaders we are talking about, Tauseef.
Exactly.
One is a member of parliament, the other one is an MLA.
Of course, but
can we take it lightly? By the way, the accused is also a history sheeter. There are cases against him.
There is an official statement coming from All India Trinamool Congress. You read it yourself. Aren't you satisfied with that? But you want to point out more points. It's absolutely fine. But Abhaji, you tell me something. Let's not go there. Abhaji, you tell me something. Will this rape stop with inside India, outside India, whatsoever? What is the solution? Shehzad bhai, why don't you want to pass the Aparajita bill? Tell me something. We all are concerned about the rape case. It's happening in and around the country. But what is wrong with the Aparajita bill where we want a death penalty?
It's so shocking, Abha Singh. It's so shocking. I mean, you know, this happened during RG Kaur also. We really thought that perhaps after RG Kaur gang rape case, we thought perhaps things will change for women. Then RG Kaur happened, another heinous crime that shook the conscience of this nation. We thought things will change. And now we have another incident, and you just heard the representative of the political party that is in power in West Bengal, which has seen second such heinous incident taking place, just raising questions but has no answers.
But you're not accepting those answers, ma'am.
Sir, will you take action against the people who have made such disgusting remarks? Will your party take action against those people who have made such disgusting remarks? Will you tell me? Is it enough? Is it enough that you are distancing yourself from those people?
People will stop.
Abha Singh only. Only Abha Singh, please.
Not keeping girls safe in colleges like RG Kaur or now this law college will now scare parents from sending these girls to college. We are talking of women empowerment. We are talking of women coming out and working, but if you are not making them safe at their workplaces, these are not outside roads or deserted roads or far-flung areas inside a college campus. That is the worrying thing, and I think they really need to sit down. And when you said that one of the accused was a history sheeter, then what was he doing in the college? Even the college authorities, did they do a background check before giving him admission? Also, why police did not have a track record of these history sheeters?
In fact, we have breaking inputs coming in. Abha Singh, stay on with us. In fact, we have more breaking inputs coming in, and Tauseef, you also should listen to it very, very carefully. We have a reaction now coming in from Mr. Kalyan Banerjee himself. And let me read it out for you and for our viewers as well, and they can see it on their screens. Kalyan Banerjee says, I completely disagree with the post made by Trinamool Congress on X. Are they indirectly supporting the leaders who are shielding these criminals? Mere academic statements won't bring any real change unless immediate action is taken against those leaders directly responsible. What's even more unfortunate is that some of the leaders who emerged after 2011 are themselves under question. To truly understand the intent behind my words and statements, a certain level of moral and intellectual alignment is required, which unfortunately seems to be missing. This is the response. Tausifur Rahman, what will you say now?
No, of course, this is what I'm saying. We are not endorsing. I will only listen what is the official statement coming from All India Trinamool Congress. We are not endorsing Kalyan Banerjee. We are not endorsing Madan Mitra.
Even Kalyan
Ma'am, listen to
Banerjee
me.
is not satisfied with the statement you've given. Shehzad,
okay,
last
that's his
10
problem.
seconds closing comments.
That's his problem. We demand strict punishment and we are not BJP who gives...
Shehzad,
Padma
last
away to
10
Kartik
seconds,
Maharaj.
quickly, very quickly.
Look, clearly there is a delusion, denial, and there is an attempt to blame the victim, and there is a brazenness that we will blame the victim and protect the Balatkari. This is Mamata Banerjee's government, and it's unfortunate that the people of the state of Rabindranath Tagore
Right.
have to bear witness to this. So it has to change very soon.
I'm completely out of time, but thank you very much, all of you. Shehzad Poonawalla, Aba Singh, Tausifur Rahman, thank you for joining us here on Times Now. We'll, of course, be tracking this story closely ahead as well, heading into a short break.